The skin functions in sensation, protection, thermoregulation, and secretion. Sensation receptor sites in the skin detect changes in the external environment for temperature and pressure. Receptor sites are in contact with sensory neurons that transmit the impulse to the brain and spinal cord for interpretation. Temperature receptors produce the sensations of hot and cold. Pressure receptor sites allow us to interpret excessive pressure that results in the sensation of pain as when we get pinched. Covering the body, protecting inside of the body, regulating body temperature, providing sense of touch. Protection. The skin is an elastic, resistant covering. It prevents passage of harmful physical and chemical agents. The melanin produced by the melanocytes in the stratum germinativum darkens our skin and protects us from the damaging ultraviolet rays of sunlight. Most chemicals cannot gain entry into the body through the skin, but the chemicals that cause poison ivy and poison oak can penetrate this barrier. Fat-soluble chemicals like DDT, a chlorinated hydrocarbon pesticide, can also get through the skin. If you put your hand in a can of gasoline, you will not be poisoned. However, if you put your hand in a container of DDT, you could be poisoned. People who work with certain insecticides must wear protective clothing to prevent the penetration of these chemicals through their skin. Skin serves as a protective coat guarding internal structures against the outside environment. It is composed of two distinct layers, the epidermis and the dermis. Thermoregulation. Normal body temperature is maintained at approximately 98.6 degrees F. Temperature regulation is critical to our survival because changes in temperature affect the functioning of enzymes. The presence of enzymes is critical for normal chemical reactions to occur in our cells. When people get high fevers, they can die because the heat of a fever destroys the enzymes by breaking up their chemical structure. Without enzymes, chemical reactions cannot occur and our cellular machinery breaks down and death results.